PSCCI board. I have the honor to welcome you to this 30th annual convention.
The most important people that I need to thank are the patients who actually entrusted their lives to our team, to my skill. So again, maraming salamat po.
I would like to thank the awards committee for this very special and significant award, and I hope this is not their way of telling me to stop meddling with the PSCCI affairs, because I still promise to continue helping the society. Thank you very much.
With that, let me congratulate the society for growing to this size and to this capacity, which in 1993, when we established it, we never envisioned that it will grow that fast to this big a society and as successful.
So we thank you for being here today and tonight. Now, with the rest of the board of directors, we wish you a pleasant and restful night, and we expect to see you all again tomorrow. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
When it's all about the race, no turning back.